The power of this place is allowing those scientists who are really involved in study of global change, and which in the outside world of Biosphere 1 really have to work with just computer simulation. This actually allows them to study and monitor the impact of enhanced CO2 and other greenhouse gases on humans, plants, and animals. Closest thing we've ever come to having all the major biomes, all the ecosystems, plant species, animals, etc., that really try to make an analog for the planet Earth. The first mission was 2 years long, which most people remember as the people came in for 2 years, and it was a survival demonstration. Very successful, very heroic people. The second crew was 6.5 months. And now the mission that we're on now is really more of a real-time science. Bannon and the operations people and our engineers are bringing this up to a level of control that has a very tight bandwidth of being able to control the atmosphere and the water, all of that, so we can do long-term scientific experiments.
Yeah, also just to add to it, Biosphere 2 is much smaller than our planet, so all the systems here work on a much faster, more rapid time scale. The recycling, for example, is much faster from a molecule in the air going through the water back into the air, the cycle. So we are much, it's an accelerated cycle in terms of recycling, which gives you then the power to measure actually what happens, like air pollution, different CO2. You can measure here, instead of waiting generations, you can measure it within, a 6 month period or whatever time scale you take.
What a lot of the scientists who are studying global change and studying the effects of greenhouse gases, many of them feel that the Earth's atmosphere in 100 years is what the Biosphere 2's atmosphere is today. We have extraordinarily high CO2, we have very high nitrous oxide, we have high methane, and we have lower oxygen content. And so the power of this place is allowing those scientists who are really involved in study of global change, and which in the outside world of Biosphere 1 really have to work with just computer simulation. This actually allows them to study and monitor the impact of enhanced CO2 and other greenhouse gases on humans, plants, and animals.